Today, we are celebrating the accomplishment of our student officers who have gone through or are going through the ASOG and CGSC Twinning Program, and we are welcoming many of them here on campus for the first time.
So welcome. I will keep this short. And again, this is your second home. Hindi porke graduate na kayo, tapos na yon. You can come back. If you have problems in your you come here. Maybe we can help you.
Sa mundo natin, madaling kumapit sa kayamanan, kapangyarihan at karangalan. May patibong nakalakip sa kumakapit sa tatlong katangiang ito. At may kita naman natin ang nagagawa nito sa mga nalululong sa kayamanan, nalululong sa kapangyarihan, nalululong sa karangalan. Iminumungkahi na San Ignacio na kapitan ang kabaligtaran, ang karalitaan, ang kawalan ng kapangyarihan, ang pagiging mapagkumbaba.
Again, my warmest congratulations to you all, and please don't hesitate to as Father John G had said earlier, to come back or to your other home, the Ateneo de Manila University, as you seek your personal ministries and missions. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon po sa inyo.
When we were first given the option to choose which master's program to take, I was already sure of taking ASOG. First of the scholarship extended to us by Loyola, San Ignacio de Loyola Valor Fellowship Foundation. Second is that all of my 3 children are in Ateneo School. And for my classmates, nasa atin ang bola on how we convert what we have learned into actions.
Mga kapatid, tuwing bumabalik tayo sa Ateneo, lagi nating alalahanin ang rebulto ni Ignacio ng Loyola na nakaluhod at nag-aalay ng kanyang espada sa puong may kapal. Maging tanda sana ito ng ating patuloy na pagpapaubaya ng ating mga sarili at pamayanan sa dakilang nakahihigit sa ating lahat. Sapagkat ang panunumbalik ay isang biyaya na nararanasan ng mga taong marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan.